Hi there, today we're unboxing a ScreenBar Plus e-reading lamp by BenQ. So details are in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. Now, can you believe this reading lamp actually retails for £120? Now, that is quite extortionate, I have to admit, but the features you get from it are quite cool. So it's actually a lamp that sits just above your monitor, and it actually has auto dimming depending on the light you have in your room. So it will actually dim to those requirements, and it has hue adjustment as well. So you can alternate between either a warm or a cool light. It's dimmable, and it's powered by USB. And the other thing is you'll get no screen glare at all from this light coming down. So as you're working, you'll actually just nicely see any paperwork in front of you and nothing coming off your actual monitor. So that's one of the issues if you're working with a lamp by you. You will see some glare or some distortion in the picture on your screen. This is a premium product which will stop that from happening. So let's have a quick look around the packaging. So it comes really nicely packaged in a large package. If I flip it over, on the back you've got some details of how to put this together. Quite straightforward. And that's it. Let's open it up and see what we get in the packaging. Okay, some details about the actual controller you get. All in Chinese, this one. Looks like it could be warranty details. Okay, got the counterbalance. Okay, let's peel this off. Build of this is strong plastic all the way, and there's a lot of weight on the end of this. It's obviously balance the lamp. Okay, then you've got the controller and a USB cable. Okay, so there's a flat cable on the end of the controller. The build quality of the cable feels really good actually. If I open it up, okay, there's two parts to that, it seems. You've got a micro USB connector and a USB connector. And then if we look on here, got a dial. Spin this around. Buttons there. Look around. Some plastic on there. Let's peel that off as well. Okay, so the finish of this feels like metal. This actual card pops off this, and very good build on this, I have to admit. Feels really good. A rubbery finish on there so it doesn't easily slip away, and very nice. Okay, and let me just give you a close-up. The actual cable and the ends of it really feels good quality. And a nice strong build on there. Okay, next is the actual LED light. So if I take that out. Okay, so let's take a look at the actual light itself. Cold feel to it, so metal finish on there. It feels like plastic at the sides, plastic here, and then the connection point for the micro USB connector, and clear plastic. Yeah, strong plastic there, and you've got the actual LED strip in there. Now, to put this together, it's pretty straightforward. Obviously, the connector goes at the back, and then this just clips in, and you twist, and the connector's available there at the back. We can take our micro USB connector there and plug that in, like so, and this sits directly onto the monitor, and then you can controllers here at the side, and the USB obviously can go into your computer. Okay, so I'm in my workstation area, and the controller's connected to my computer down below, and the micro USB connector is actually connected to the ScreenBar, and we've got the counterweight obviously on there. So installing is very simple. Literally, the counterweight can be adjusted depending on your monitor. It can sit in position like so. The clip at the front, the plastic bit, just rests on the front of your monitor. just like this, and it just stays stably in position. Okay, so I've repositioned my monitor, and you can see the screen bar just above that, and I've brought forward the actual controller so you can see it close up and in action. Now, this controller is a great advancement on the original screen bar. So the original screen bar actually had controls at the top, and they were a bit of a hassle to get to if you were sitting at your desk. So having this on your desk, easy to get to. Now, the actual controller itself, at the top, you've got the light sensor. If you come around here, the button here is the auto dimmer. So that obviously works in conjunction with the light sensor and makes the required adjustments. Now, the button here, that's for the brightness or hue adjustment. So that's the switch to switch between the two. And the lights here, there's two little LED lights that come on. This one says, obviously, if it's in brightness mode, and this one if it's in hue adjustment mode. So to turn this on, you just press down for a second and it turns on. And you can see suddenly the area is all lit up. If I press it again, goes out. I press it again. And what you'll notice, if you look on the screen, if you had a traditional lamp, you would get some glare on there. So there's nothing going on to your actual screen with this. Now, in terms of adjustment, as I've already mentioned, you can see it subtly going down and increasing. Let me improve the lighting just to give you a better indication. There you go, that's the dimmest and that's the brightest. Now if I go to the hue adjustment, so it's the button on the right hand side, and I change that, so that's gone to the warmer yellow and the cool bright white. Now if I go on to the warmer one, switch over, then I can change the adjustment on that. So pretty cool. Okay, and if I click here at the side, obviously it goes into automatic dimmer mode. So it will do the adjustment according to the light that's coming in over the light sensor. And that can be overridden just by moving it. So pretty cool. And again, gives ample light without any sort of glare on your screen. Okay, so you've seen the unboxing and setup of this screen bar. Really cool product, I have to admit. The fact that you can have a lamp on your desk, giving ample brightness at the lower area and getting no screen glare at all. So a great sort of study aid if you're working off paperwork and on your computer. So really cool. I like the fact it's actually got the controller, a big enhancement from the original screen bar. So really cool. So I hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. It does come at a premium of £120, but I think it's well worth it if you're studying regularly at your desk. Details are in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.